Okay, 2011 Volvo XC60. Customer complaint is car does not have any power. Seems like transmission is not shifting. It just lacks power. Under codes we found P2004 intake manifold runner stuck open, bank 1. So I went ahead, looked at the code's description, and under fault symptoms, this is what we found. Driving poor performance, lacks power, pretty much matches customer's concern. So we're gonna take the runners off and see runners out and see what's happening with those. So in order for us to get to the runners, these are the runners. Runner number 1 and number 2 is right there at the bottom. Let me see if I can point it up. Right there. I'm not sure which one's for bank 1 or which one's for bank 2. Actually it's an inline 6. In any case, information does not say anything which one's for bank 1 or which one's for bank 2 or which one's intake 1, intake 2. The runners are. Anyways, so you take T25s out. There are 3 T25s, 1, 2, and 1 is at the bottom. So if they are stuck open position, once you take the screws off, you're not gonna be able to pull it off till it goes into its vertical position. In order for it to manually go into vertical position, we have to drill a hole or cut a hole. So I use a 911 drill bit. You can go a little bit, I don't think it's gonna focus, but anyway, it was 911 drill bit, or you can go a little bigger than that. Once you drill that hole open, you can use Allen key or a pocket screwdriver, and you have to swing it counterclockwise for flap to close. So I already did that. When it was stuck in open position, I could not pull this runner out. So now that I put it in a vertical position, closed position, I'm able to pull it out further. So let me take this out all the way. Okay, so the motor is out, the runner is out, and look what I found. See, this is broken. I'm not sure, it's the glare, too much glare here. But in any case, see, this is broken right there. And the shaft that it pivots on, where my thumb is, that piece is broken off. See if I can zoom in. There, it is broken. See it? See if I can point it out. Right there, it's broken. So it's gonna need an intake runner, and once we put it in, once we install a new one, dealer item. Once we install a new one in and see where we go with that. Hopefully it helps someone else out there, and we'll update in the description, see if that fixed it or not. But it does match all the symptoms that customers complaining about. That should fix it. But again, look in description, and I should be able to I should have some sort of update with it.